Okay, how are you guys?
Very well, thank you.
Oh, good. I was just wondering about this new safeguarding policy. I was wondering what Wales YFC are doing to keep their members safe.
We've obviously got this safeguarding policy in place now and implementing it. The safeguarding policy is a range of procedures and policies that we have in place in case concerns are raised.
Oh, brilliant! But it strikes me that a lot of the things in safeguarding policy, young members are doing at the moment within YFC.
Well, here are examples of our members keeping safe.
Hey, Emma, how are you guys?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you, Alex?
Yeah, I'm not bad. I'm a bit nervous, really. We've heard all about the YPV and how awesome it is, but it's my first time tonight. I'm just a bit worried, and I was wondering if you've got any tips or anything you can sort of tell me.
Oh, you don't need to be worried at all. We've got plenty of friendly faces down there to keep you very safe. We've got the YFC stewards. They'll keep an eye out for everybody down there. We've also got lots of stewards that are the paid members of staff. They keep an eye out for everybody, making sure that everybody's safe. We've got a underage drinking policy as well. So if you're not over 18, you're not getting a drink, unfortunately. But that's how we're working towards. There's plenty of stuff. There's first aiders as well. If you're feeling there's a bit of a welfare area, if you're not feeling up to scratch, come along, have a little sit down, time out, just to get yourself back up on the straight and narrow.
Oh, brilliant! No, thank you very much for telling me about it. It sounds absolutely awesome. I can't wait to come down tonight.
Great, brilliant. I'll see you there.
I'll see you there.
Oh, did you have a good night last night, girls?
I had a really good night last night. I thought the DJ was so much better last night than the night before.
Oh yeah, I really enjoyed the band first.
The band were amazing, really liked them.
I didn't want to go on that ride though.
No, that was
scary.
I'll tell you what though, there was this one guy who was so much older than me, and he just kept following me the whole night. And I couldn't get rid of him, and it was getting quite scary. But the stewards noticed because he was following me like right up close the whole time.
Yeah, there was loads of stewards.
There were loads of stewards, yeah. So I just was like, oh, do you mind if you just have a word with this guy, please? And they sorted it all out, and it was all fine. It was really freaky.
Yeah.
There's always lots of people on hand to help at the young people as well.
Yeah, definitely. It was really helpful last night, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hi Dad, you okay?
Hi Sarah. Yeah, I'm okay, thanks. You?
Finished your competitions?
Yeah, I finished 10 minutes ago.
Oh, well done. So what are you going to do now?
I'm going to go around the show on my own for a bit.
All right, okay. You got your phone?
Yeah.
You got my number?
Yeah.
Okay, if you need me, just
Yeah,
give me a
will
call. Come back here later then and
yeah,
use
we'll
this
meet
as a focal point?
2 o'clock or something.
Great,
yeah.
okay then. Take care.
Will do.
All right,
thanks,
see you later. Bye.
Oh God! Look at my mate here. He's absolutely hammered. What an idiot! Oh, that's such a bad photo.
He's had better photos.
I think so. Yeah.
I'm trying to find some of my friends.
Have you got any decent ones?
No, I haven't found anything. I'm trying to find some embarrassing ones from friends.
Nah, because he had a YFC competition the day after. He was doing the dancing, and he didn't do very well. To be honest, he didn't do very well.
I'm sure his head was.
Yeah, he was spinning around a bit more than he expected.
Yeah, it's a shame that some people have to drink quite so much.
Yeah,
I don't think you need to drink so much. If you're with your friends, you can have a good laugh. If you only had a little bit.
No, definitely. I think there's some nights, and it is nice to be able to remember it, really, isn't it?
It's good to be able to remember your conversations.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi, are you alright?
Yeah, what are you doing here?
I'm meeting this boy.
So where have you met this guy?
I've met him on Facebook, yeah.
Maybe you should meet him here. I mean, it's not such a good idea if you don't know what he's like. Or...
Oh no, he'll be fine, he'll be fine.
Well, I'm not sure that's such a good idea. You don't know what he could be like. But you make sure you're safe, don't do anything silly, and meet me back here to make sure you're
Alright,
okay.
fair enough.
Okay.
Thank you. See you later.
Bye.
Is the YFC keeping you safe? Ydych chi'n cadw chi'n saff?